Sir, but I have a point to raise here that if we are using ChatGPT or any AI tool,
Hmm.
uh, basically what it will do, you cannot 100% rely on these platforms. First
Correct.
thing,
Hmm.
it will help you if you are into the content creation zone, right? Into the content creating thing, it will help you create your first draft.
Hmm.
Okay, it is the most difficult thing. Whenever we try to create content, the most difficult thing is what should I say in the video,
Hmm.
right? So it will help you create your first draft. Second, it will help you do your research, and you cannot, and everything which is there on the chat gpt is not 100% truth, right? So you need to also apply your own intelligence, because chat gpt is not capable of original thought. It is not capable of creativity. Here
Correct.
comes another question, right? It has been a question that will chat gpt replace humans, right? The answer is chat gpt cannot replace humans, but it will replace those humans who are not using tools like ChatGPT. If you are a content writer, if you are a content writer, it will help you write better content. But if you are a content writer and you are not trying to use tools like ChatGPT to improve your content, then that tool will replace you. Why? There's a reason. Because marketers or any professional work, if you are doing in a routine manner, if you are doing in a very formula based work, right? It will the tool will replace you. But if you have genuine qualities, if you have creativity, if you have thinking abilities, which is required in every business, then this tool cannot reflect. People are saying that chat gpt will kill jobs, right? It will kill jobs, and it has always happened in the history also. Whenever any new advancement came, let's say the time when computers came, right? People said that it will kill jobs. It killed job of the people who were unskilled, but at the same time it created more jobs for those people who are skilled. So here comes a point that in order to get more opportunities, you need to stay relevant in the market. You need to upskill yourself. You need to increase your value. Yeah, you need to increase your knowledge level so that you can use these tools like ChatGPT or anything which comes in the future, because technology will always advance. And these tools will help you increase your, what do I say, speed of uploading content
Hmm.
at a greater volume.
Correct.
Here, you do not need to think so much. You can use these tools to speed up your thinking abilities also. Your output, your productivity will improve if you take this in this manner. And it has uh, made our process of uploading content, creating content easier. It will improve our customer experience. It will shorten the sales cycle, right? Which sir told that if you understand how to ask good quality question, how to give inputs, better prompts, you'll be getting good answers. You'll be getting better answers, which will help you communicate with your customer, which will help you create your customer journey, which will help you shorten the sales cycle. You're getting my point? So these tools like Chat GPT, these tools can never replace human. What these tools do, they take information which are already written by humans, so they can mimic those information, but they cannot, they are right now they are not in a position to create new contextual content, right? There are four levels. One is data, second is information. When data is organized, it's called information. When the information is structured in a better manner, it is called knowledge, from where you can take a decision. But from knowledge comes the wisdom. So chat gpt can give you information, it can give you some bit of the knowledge, but it can never give you wisdom. That as we humans we need to derive, that what thing we need to use for our content. You're getting my point? So it is helping us take the first step, which is the most difficult thing, right? So we need to understand how to use these platforms like chat gpt. Right now it is chat gpt 3, tomorrow it will come chat gpt 4, anything might come. These meetings, what we are discussing in this platinum mastermind session, or whatever we are attending, we are learning from Tarun sir in live coaching every week. These things will keep us relevant in the market. And we need to do this. If we don't do this, we will be out of the market. Getting my point? One tap for several pipes. I did not understand this.